Hello, today I'm going to talk about this book that's called Cam Jensine, Case 4, The Mystery of the Television Dog. And the author for this book is David A. Adler. And I'm going to read the text back here and then I'm going to talk about this book. Mysteries follow super sleuth Cam Jensine everywhere she goes, even to a book signing. Cam is waiting in a line for a book photograph from a famous TV dog Pochi, and when he mysteriously disappears and is placed with an imposter. Can Cam find the real Pochi? Read more books in the Cam Jensine Mystery series. It's one book that I want to read that is called The Mystery of the Mystery of Flight 54. I want to know something about that. And something when it becomes more when it comes to case 40 to case 29, it says with the mystery, not in the last, not maybe in the how should I say?
In the end.
At the end, it is not at the front.
At the first.
At the first. And now I'm going to talk about this book that is called The Mystery of the Television Dog. It starts with that Cam, Eric, and Diana wait, I need to look, but I don't know what they're all called. Cam, Eric, Don, and Diane. So those four, they're going to meet a television dog that is very popular. I don't know what it is in English. I'm saying in Swedish. Populär. I don't know what it is in English. So
say.
What?
Go ahead.
They like him very much. So then somebody is in front of them, and then he drops some biscuits. His dog that looks exactly like a Pochi. They're running around, and then this man takes his dog and he walks away. But then when how should I say? When Cam is going to shake its hand, or when it's going to put his dog thingy on it, the trainer says to it, but it says to Pochi or Cloudy, that is called that dog was called Cloudy. Cloudy didn't listen. So then Cam take the picture of Pochi and this man with his photographic memory. So then she says when they look at their hands, it isn't dirty, their hands, because but Pochi uses the same paw to put it in the ink and put it on a book. And same with they shake his paw with. So that's a little bit say what. So then Cloudy is running away when Cam says that Cloudy that isn't Pochi, that is Cloudy. So then Cam is one says that they follow Cloudy. Cam, Eric, Diane, and Don. I need to look again. I'm going to put so I see what they're called. Donna. So they're following Eric, Don, and Diane are following Cam, and then she sees this place, this that took Pochi, that house, because Cloudy wanted to go home. So then Cam followed that, and then she had a plan. Donna and Diane, they're tapping on the windows when Cam is sneaking in and taking the dog and taking Pochi and puts out Cloudy, and then and Eric says if he's coming. So then the plan goes. Cam is putting out, is switching dogs. So Pochi she takes and Cloudy she leaves. And Pochi takes a green envelope that they saw he wrote on. So then she take the envelope, and then she come to this place and say this is Pochi. And Eric, Don, and Diane are following them. So then Cam and Eric's family gets a reward because that they find that Pochi and know that it was wrong, that it was Cloudy before. And the police take this man because Cam remembered what place it was that he lived. So then that was, and then they got this prize. And then they got the real. They shaked with the real Pochi, and the real Pochi put his mark on the book. So then that was all for this book that was called Cam Jansen, the Mystery of the Television Dog. And this book was fun, easy to read, interesting, and very good. And the best character for this book was Cam with her photographic memory. And the next video is a Swedish book, I think. And bye bye!